Hey Google,
How can I help?
let's start the Google for Startups Accelerator Voice AI Cohort Demo Day presentation.
Okay, good luck to all the participating startups.
And up next, we'll hear from Voicify. Voicify is a Boston-based startup with a SaaS platform allowing brands and large enterprises to easily design, build, and deploy voice apps, chatbots, and other conversational experiences across voice assistants and social media platforms.
We are Voicify, and our SaaS-based conversational experience platform allows any brand to be able to connect with their customers through conversational interfaces like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, along with custom assistants, chatbots, and IVR telephony systems. With 90 million smart speakers in the US alone, the voice market is simply too large of an opportunity for brands to ignore. The growth is even more impressive when you consider that the smart speaker penetration in 2015 was nearly zero. This same double-digit growth is happening in the UK, EU, and developed countries around the world. Like web, mobile, and social, brands are looking to their marketing departments to determine how to utilize this new digital channel. However, it's been challenging because there are too many voice assistants, too many devices, and no good tools available until Voicify. The concept of digital experience management is not new. In the late 90s, brands were starting to see the massive opportunity with the World Wide Web. Marketers at large brands initially had similar challenges building and maintaining corporate websites. Then the first web experience management platform came along and changed all of that. Web experience management is currently dominated by companies like Adobe, Sitecore, Episerver, WordPress, and Drupal. All of these companies have billion-dollar valuations. Voicify is taking a similar approach and is the only enterprise-focused voice experience management platform in the market. We are empowering marketing departments in several ways. First, the Voicify solution is a no-code platform designed to make it easy for non-technical marketing personnel to create, deploy, and manage engaging conversational experiences. The UI looks and feels like the web-based forms marketers are already comfortable using to manage their website properties. Second, Voicify believes that brands should be able to connect with their customers on any voice-enabled platform or device. That's why we developed our proprietary data normalization capability, which allows brands to build a single conversational experience and then deploy it to any number of conversational endpoints. Finally, we believe brands should be able to have dynamic and engaging conversations with their customers at every step of the customer lifecycle. That's why we have partnered with or integrated with software companies that are already part of the marketing technology stack at major brands. This allows brands to do things like extend voice commerce or post-purchase customer support, like package tracking and returns, by simply adding their credentials for their e-commerce and customer support software they already own. Voicify's approach has resonated with the market. Since launching the commercial version of our software in late 2019, Voicify has secured over 35 national and global brands across every major vertical. And we have a very healthy pipeline of companies that are in active negotiations to come onto the platform. With clients like Unilever, Johnson & Johnson, and Volkswagen, we have established ourselves as the clear solution for conversational management at the enterprise level. In addition, we have over 75 signed partnerships with ad agencies and technology partners. The investment we made in developing this channel over the last year has paid off in the form of increased top of the funnel activity and increased revenue velocity. The global conversational AI market size is expected to grow from 4.8 billion to 13.9 billion by 2025. We believe conversational experience management will be a significant portion of that total number. Using both top-down and bottom-up analysis, we believe the total addressable market for Voicify's solution is several $billion within the next several years. Prior to starting Voicify, the three co-founders started a digital agency. Over the course of 15 years, we grew it into a national footprint serving brands around the country and the world. We then successfully exited through a private equity sponsor and eventual nine-figure sale to a publicly traded company. Due to our 15-year track record working with major brands, we have an intimate understanding of the needs of marketing departments when it comes to accessing new digital channels. Finally, Voicify's founders have skin in the game, having invested the majority of the capital raised to date. We're now raising a seed round and looking for institutional investment partners that are excited to work with us as we scale up the business. If you're interested, please reach out using my email address.
Awesome job, Jeff. Now a question from our viewers. As the voice assistant app stores remain nascent and continue to mature, can you talk about customer acquisition and how you're making your potential customers aware of your voice assistant application?
Thanks, Jason. Great question. Regarding customer acquisition, we've been very fortunate to have been the beneficiary of a lot of great word of mouth marketing. Our existing customers have built some phenomenal experiences on the Voicify platform that have been highlighted in the media and got a lot of attention. So a lot of what we're doing now is sort of building off of that buzz. We've got the engine working, driving things like conferences and webinars. We've created a lot of great case studies from the great work that's already been done on the platform. I think one of the major drivers of growth going forward is going to be our investment in these agency and technology partnerships. I had mentioned this before in the presentation. We have over 75 agency and technical partners, and essentially we've formed relationships with these organizations so that we can sell the Voicify platform into their existing installed base. And we've already seen this ramping up substantially in the last several months and expect it to continue to go on for the rest of 2021 and beyond.
Thank you to the Voicify team